Okay, let's go ahead and look at our second example here, which wants us to be able to find a lateral area, surface area, and volume of a hexagonal pyramid. Again, it's a hexagonal pyramid because the base is a six-sided hexagon. Now, what I'd like you to do is to pause the video now and see if you can do this problem on your own, and then let's go through, and when you're done, go ahead and start playing again, and we'll go through and see if you got these three values right. So go ahead and pause the video and try this on your own. All right, now first of all, let's talk about lateral area, and again, from your formula sheet, lateral area is equal to 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height. Now if you take a look here, the perimeter of the base, this is a regular hexagon, so each side is 3.5 yards long. So basically, to find the perimeter of the base, you take the length of one side, which is 3.5, and multiply that by 6. And if you do that, you get 21 yards. So the perimeter of this base, the distance around the hexagon, is 21 yards. The slant height was given to us as approximately 12.38 yards. So ladies and gentlemen, what you want to do here, you want to find the lateral area, you take 1/2 perimeter of the base, which we said was 21 yards, times the slant height, which was approximately 12.38 yards. And if you do that, you should get 129.99 square yards. Now again, this is lateral area. So what you just found again is the area of all of these isosceles triangles that make up the lateral surface. Okay? Now the only thing we need to do is to round that. It's supposed to be rounded to 3 significant digits. So these are your 3 significant digits. Now this 9 right here is going to turn this 9 into a 0, and then you carry the 1 over to the 2, which makes that a 3. So it's 130 square yards would be your lateral area. Now the thing is, if you just write it like this as 130, that's only got 2 significant digits. Remember, we put a line over the 0 in order to say that that is a significant digit. Otherwise it would not be. So there's your answer to finding lateral area. So let's go and find now total surface area. All right? So total surface area, again, it's not listed on your formula sheet, but total surface area is just equal to the lateral area plus the area of the base. Okay? And again, your lateral area we just found on the previous, I'm not going to use the rounded value, but it'd be 129.99 square yards. So that was your lateral area, is 129.99 square yards. Now we just need to find the area of the base. The area of the base is the area of this hexagon, this regular hexagon. We need to figure out what that is and add that on to your lateral area. Well, if you remember, the area of a regular hexagon, and you get this from the front side of your formula sheet, is 2.598 times the length of a side squared. So it's 2.598 times the length of a side is 3.5 yards. And we're going to square that. And if you do that, you square your area, the length of your side, and then you take it times 2.598, you get 31 and 8,255 ten-thousandths of a square yard. So that then gets, that's your A right here, that gets added on to your lateral area. And then, ladies and gentlemen, if you add those together, you get 161.8155 square yards. Now again, it has to go to 3 significant digits. So here are your 3 significant digits. So really, your total surface area is equal to 162 square yards. Why 162? Because this 8 right here will turn this 1 into a 2. And there is your total surface area. On the next slide, we'll look at volume.